Hi, I'm Derek Lomas, a learning scientist and designer at Carnegie Mellon University. My company, Playpower Labs, is about to release a brand new app 2 years in the making. It's called Fraction Planet. It's like Angry Birds meets the Common Core. Fraction Planet combines innovative and engaging learning games into a true supplemental fraction curriculum that provides instruction and assessment on over 50 Common Core standards. It starts off easy and gets progressively more difficult. It's self-paced, so students who are behind can take their time to learn, while advanced students can race through the games. Here I'm showing all the planets unlocked. Within each planet, there's a series of game levels. Students have to beat individual game levels. They need to get at least 1 star, but can go back and perfect things to get 3 stars, just like Angry Birds. So the game I'm showing right now is called Battleship Number Line. This is where students have to estimate the location of fractions on a number line, which is actually highly predictive of students' standardized test scores. Note that when students make a mistake, we introduce additional scaffolds to help them learn. Then, the student performance is analyzed for misconceptions, which we report back to the teachers, aligned to different Common Core standards. That's cool. And we've done randomized control trials to show that this game works. Students actually improve almost an entire grade level in their accuracy of number line estimates after just 20 minutes of play. This game is called Bubble Pop. It actually consists of 4 different game mechanics, including matching numbers, ordering numbers, and direct recall. And this mechanic here involves placing multiple fractions on a number line so that players can see the relationship of one fraction to another. We really stress number lines in Fraction Planet because they're very difficult for teachers to grade on paper, and yet number lines are one of the top recommendations for improving fraction instruction by the Institute for Education Science. In our pilots, students pretty much understand how to use Fraction Planet immediately, since it's just like the games they're used to. This is place value, which provides activities to help students understand the relationship between whole numbers, decimals, and fractions. This is magnitude comparison, which helps students develop rapid-fire fraction fluency. And this game is Angle Asteroid. Such a fun game for developing an intuition for angles, and there's nothing like it. This is the teacher dashboard, where teachers can follow along with their students' progress. They can see specific topics that their students are struggling with. The dashboard also shows how the games are mapped to the Common Core standards. For instance, we show this Common Core standard around operations with fractions, and a teacher can directly see the game that relates to that standard. We map our games to Common Core standards by developing game items based off of Common Core assessment anchors. One thing that's really awesome about Fraction Planet, and totally innovative, is that it works on all platforms. Students can start using this on a PC in a classroom, and then keep using it on an iPad or Android tablet, and then they can take the learning home and continue to play if they've got a computer or a parent's smartphone, and the teacher can still keep track of their progress. And guess what? In addition to Fraction Planet, we're also producing Numberland, another sequence of games that builds math fact fluency by combining math fact practice with rich conceptual number sense instruction, so the facts are learned in a meaningful context. In summary, we make apps that are super easy for a teacher to start using, so that supplemental instruction can be as easy as handing students an iPad. Teachers get a data dashboard to see where their students are weak, so they can intervene personally. And students, believe it or not, are actually asking for more fraction instruction. It's like, what planet am I on? Thank you very much.